Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forwarded from Kingmixup, it's not credible. You see, my people, let's just kick it off with Jaii Frais and Jahvy situation, because you know both parties have been sitting in prison, jail, for the past, several weeks because one was defending himself and one was standing them ground, which unfortunately left several people in the hospital, including an American tourist. This say they both received $1.5 million Jamaicans, obviously, bail. You know what I mean? As you know, Garvey was charged with 3 things. Likewise, Jaii Frais. You see, say the most important thing is Jaii Frais wasn't using an illegal firearm like we disclosed. You see me? So, no, it's up to the court to decide who is guilty or not. Problem in the comment section, no, because it's going to take a lot of money, as you can see with the bail thing and the lawyers you see in front of you. It's not cheap. But me just tell her, giving you an update while going for not to go on. So, yeah, do not expect Jaii Frais to come on them podcast to talk about an open case, obviously, that he's involved in, because that might, find him guilty or not. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next trending topic we see in Jamaica, because, say, whoa, Marcus Garvey technical high school students take it to one girl. As you can see on the screen, it's not her in question, but it's her cousin, and she shared the video with me, which we shared on my Twitter page, which went viral, as you can see. Mr. Vaz saw it. He said that the police was alerted, and the bus was intercepted, and ting-a-ling-a-ling. But I have a few more updates on the girls in question, because according to the cousin, she said allegedly these girls just came off of suspension and no, they need to be expelled because them now learn them lesson. This man said, as you know, 15 girls jump one student from Lana. So it looked like, say, the Marcus Garvey student, them pick on the Lana student because, say, girl is not from there, but the girl, them asked where your friend there. And she said she don't know. So that's when them does banting and all of this stuff. Kind of remind me of the Kayla situation. But we're glad to see the authorities is involved. And hopefully the girl can get justice. This is my answer. Anyway, people, let's proceed. Trending topic go to Jamaica. I have to deal with the tea list of them, Rochelle and her husband. As you know, Urban Reporter put out some texts and things that show that he was cheating presently. You know what I mean? But Rochelle and, her husband is denying the fact, saying that these things is old. They were separated for 2 years. I know they're trying to build back and all of this good stuff. You see my saying I can press pause and read in response. But let's take a listen to what Urban has to say, and then we will see, the evidence that she put forth. You know what I mean? Because, whoa.
So I just posted the whole Deneir situation, how he was caught cheating just this Monday. Yeah, he was with Rashelle up until when the flight booked from Atlanta to El Paso, Texas. That's when him go meet up with the girl. Him land at Texas and go meet up with the girl after I'm leaving him wife and him kids them. Deneir now, may have more text messages now because you get exposed and you go text the girl after the girl try to set up your life.
So yeah, these are some of the, evidence that Urban put out. She since had made a response video though, to, Deneir, whatever her name is, denying the allegations. And she said your homeboy was going to meet him side B when he was on his way to go meet him family in like Atlanta and this sweet stuff.
My last video, because this is not my fight. See, allergies already are beating me up here. But Deneir, you met that lady while you were on your way to Atlanta to go meet your family. You met her at the airport. Yeah, so it's
problem in the comment section now because internet sensation Ivani and Beauty Bling chimed in pin the thing. You see master, and I'm telling the homegirl Rochelle for just accept the facts there, move on and just do the co-parenting thing. You see it. I'm bling at that charlotte word pan Herbin to you see me.
But what I said before mistake, I say I go call out some girl now. My husband not cheat for me. I want to see the girl where I go come out here, so come tell me, say them a fuck my husband and bring proof. Make sure to bring proof. Listen to me. I do not understand Deneir. I am trying to understand Deneir. Why Deneir keep on doing this? Why Deneir keep is either them just a stay married for the benefits, or him just don't have no no respect for her. What the reason why Deneir keep on doing this?
See if we get gloves. I know because Rochelle's taking back way, and you can't blame the man. Blame the woman when take it back. Butterfly take it, baby. Kerry, save your gloves to tomorrow, 3 p.m. At this point, you can't even blame Deneir. You just want to blame Rochelle because she keep on taking back. So she just keep on taking back knowing the type of person is. So in this case, I wouldn't even blame the man. I have to blame she. Because if you're not taking back, him can't come back for your fuck by you. If you're not taking back, or you're him not there, so I'm going to fuck by you. You might just do film think I'm single. But true, you see the internet, some people like to hype on the internet and some people like to prove a point. The world now, if you know, say, hey, baby father start the co-parent. And that is never...
Especially to all the apps there now.
That wasn't a co-parent. That are dead and dead back. The internet now, sometimes some people like to prove point too much and you're left with the point. You're left with the point. Because if Ice Father for come around off there in the ice, like you think me a post Ice Father, say Ice Father gone down Father, I film page and I see everything pan food that way you're gonna ask me what Ice them tell them when him go Father. Because I will get embarrassed by the internet.
Ivani, listen. When him and Rochelle they back with you, when here said them him say him it not feel good for him a win and him not win with him family. Me feel good for ear say him say that. So when the two of them gone back, I was happy for them. I might not click alive and do videos like other people, but I was happy that they both find themselves back to each other, right? I was happy, Vani. Ice, come here. Ice. You not pay me no mind. Ice, look here. Ice. Me did happy said the two of them gone back with you because them said the man said it not feel good for him a win and his family now win with him. Chat, we're begging a strength today. Everybody, please push up a score, chat. We need to complete our gift gallery.
Once a cheater, I was a cheater. I don't take back cheaters because they only can cheat on you again worse or they can do it and skill with all them do it. Me. Man. You remember me ever run them way, no? As you slip your side, me run you.
How this TikTok is an internet is to pussy clot. Me no know. It's like Rochelle, it's either Rochelle just care about the views or the fucking clout or something. Because at this point, Rochelle, you need to put your foot down.
Sometime in our life, you know, you see when your man left or your woman left, you see first break up. Some people break up the first time, and when them they back, it bring them even closer than when them did the first time. Right?
Thank you.
While you have one other set of people where up on the other hand, when you break up that one time, you know, especially if all them break up long. If you break up like a 2-3 weeks, that's alright. But if them break up like 2 months, 6 months, when you break up so long, you know how much things it want to do during that space of time, how much fucking you do, how much people you flirt with, how much things you want to broke to do in the marriage, and how much things you do. So when you come back now for there, it can never be the same like how it used to be one time. It'll go easier now for your man go fuck by you. It'll go easier now for your girl go fuck by you. It'll easy now for stray and do this. It'll easy now for disrespect your partner because you want to separate it for so long. Sometimes some break up mean permanently break up. Sometimes when you left your man, them, that's why we can't understand how some people gone back to ex. Yeah, your ex left for you 1 year when you look at the gone back. You know, in a sense, me not think no love, no feelings.
Let me tell you what Rochelle need to do at this point. Rochelle need to ask Deneir. Deneir, do you really want a committed relationship or you just want to explore? Because at this point, we see that Deneir cocky full of marriage and he want to be all over the place. He's not ready to settle down.
But bring on. It come like for me a reasonability to go through your ears because if you did
that, go through my ears. Me a married one, me can't think like you.
If you did a reason like me, you would even think about if ask if we want. You know, sister, we want it. You don't understand. When you're married, then just not going to be the same, and that mean to say, let me tell you at this point what the two of them need to do. Sending out a message to Deneir and Rochelle, taking it from everybody, right? At this point, you guys' relationship will never be the same until you accept the fact that you have to just go and separate ways. You go forever a fucking problem in our relationship. it reach a point now, Blinger. You have to just understand and accept the fact that you guys will never be the same. Deneir have to go about film ways and just know them that the film kids them and co-parent. Rochelle have to just go about fair ways and know say she the mother and she have to make the father seem pitney and then just need for co-parent. Them can't have a band where Rochelle know Deneir woman know Rochelle, and all of them probably all go on a 4 date. All of them can hang out and enjoy themselves. You see, family manager when you boss lady, for her husband, which is her baby father, have one new woman now. And it all of them, I saw all of them close. Can them accept the facts that me and the man not there again, and now you are the stepmother for my pitney. And them are then close, so it all them have business around, or they don't have a big makeup store around together.
That's maturity.
Till they can accept, so they will never be the same. You see, when they accept that, then things are go better off with them. You're going to see how their friendship connect more. You're going to see them will be the bestest of friends. Then after fuck, can't call upon you for help me with this. She can't call. Them are just there for each other as good friends. Them not accept that yet. So them are going to always have, them will take back each other. Or if you go, yes,
wanna push up the score, please. We need to complete our gift gallery. Vani.
Right. Look on K. You see your K and her baby father and K baby father woman live now. You see how them close? Rochelle, you see okay, accept the fact that him and the baby father in a day again. And the baby father, new woman love K pitney and stepmother that and the what did I want the little boy birthday and the whole of them as a family dead for the little boy. Okay, understand say and the stepmother that
alright, so
that is what you call accept.
Alright, let me send out a message to Rochelle now. Rochelle, it is time for you to know your worth. It is time. That's it.
Lord Jesus. Rochelle, don't listen to this lady. Let me send out a better message to you.
Yes.
Knowing your worth is like giving the man another second chance. You're teaching these young people wrong, I think you're old enough to understand the levels of reasonability, You gotta tell her to know her worth. It's like telling her, giving him a second chance now. Because guess what happened now? He might go come show her worth. He might go come pretend now. He might go come pretend now and tell her all sort of sweet things that she want to hear to make she think that this is her worth. So it's like giving me a second. She don't need to know no damn worth. She already know her worth. You need to accept. I send out a message to you, Rochelle.
Go on, send a message. Let me send back mine. Yeah.
Nickel and Tiny, the sensation boss is speaking. Rochelle, you need to accept the fact that you and Deneir will never be the same. Break it down a little bit for you to understand. You have to accept the facts that Unu will never be back. Unu will never be the wife and husband where they used to be a Jamaica and cook food and we used to watch them the time there. You see the Deneir where we know where they love you was the Deneir that where they are Jamaica. The Deneir where they love you and give him all was the Deneir where the Jamaica will never get papers yet. You see the Deneir what we know now we get the papers where in America now is the one you need to stay very far from. The man don't get where him want, him don't need you again in his life. Him don't get him papers, him don't get him stay in America. He's also a soldier representing for the United States of America. There is nothing you can give that man where that man no want know. He might make money on top of money when he can go buy any clothes, any materialistic things when he want, any car. He a soldier and can go get any woman can use him benefits them for catch any woman. There is nothing him lose all him mother saying probably think him lose it all. There is nothing in the world you can bring back to this man to make him be the same Deneir when they did in Jamaica. So right now what you need to do is accept the facts that it will never be the same and you and him just need for co-parent. Nah, fuck on the side. Now make it come sweet talk you. Co-parent for the two sweet baby them where you have. And you see when you can't accept that, nothing where Deneir do cannot move, you cannot budget because you move on. Go get your man, him a film woman. You make it come sweet talk you one day and get you out of your good relationship with you. Stop making do that. And when you accept the facts that you will never date on our friends, it'll go better off you.
Right.
Style you.
They seem to be making a lot of sense to me. How about you? Anyway, people, Do not forget to check out these next suggested videos that's gonna see on the screen, because we're not going to long out this one any longer. We're just giving you some quick updates another day. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notification bell and press all. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.